Wow, this kitchen is so cozy. Yeah, let's make something yummy. Welcome, we have everything we need. All these colorful bowls. I want to help mix. Great, let's get started. This is going to be fun. Yeah, let's make something yummy. What should we bake first? Cupcakes, they're my favorite. Yes, with lots of sprinkles. Let's do it.
First, let's wash our hands.
Okay, Max, this is fun.
Rub your hands together.
So many bubbles. We're all clean. I'm getting the flour. We'll get the strawberries and eggs ready. And the milk, let's bake. Here it is, teamwork. Yay, baking time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey. Great job. Let's make something yummy. Okay, we're stirring. It's floating. I'll get the sugar. Hurry, Max. Got it. Wow, Lumi, you're doing it. So cool. Another one. Okay, here goes. Oh no, a little shell. It's okay. It's funny.
Whoa, giant flower puff!
We're snow chefs. So funny. Let's stir the rainbow batter. Yeah, it's so colorful. It's mixing all together. Keep going, teamwork. It's getting so pretty. Perfect cupcake soon. Okay, pouring the rainbow batter. Wow, it's so colorful. Yay, keep going, Nova. Next one, it's swirly. Yeah, it's magic. Best cupcakes ever. The cupcakes are baking. They're glowing so pretty. Wow, look at the colors. They smell so yummy. I can't wait to eat them. They smell so good. They smell delicious. I can't wait to try them. Look at the rainbow colors. They're the best cupcakes ever. Yay for baking. Sprinkles make it so pretty. Yeah, and frosting too. Let's add lots of colors. This one needs more sprinkles. Okay, here you go. Yay, they're perfect. Wow, so yummy. The frosting is so sweet. This blue one is super tasty. Let's try more colors. Yeah, they're all the best. Dancing in the kitchen, having so much fun. My milkshake is super yummy. Mine too. Let's dance more. Yeah, let's all toast together. To our take treats and fun. Time to clean up. Okay, Max, let's do it together. Wipe the counter clean. This is fun. We make a great team. All clean now. Thanks for cooking with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Now, let's clean the table. I'll wipe it down. Great job, all clean. Bye, see you next time.
Teaching Kids.